Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am back with some more Violet's Lovely World. In the last episode, I had decorated my room mostly. But I have done a few things off the camera, like a bit of a glass roof. Not all of it though. I also did this off camera as well. I tried using milk with this, but didn't want to work. So I don't know. I don't know what to use with it. If anybody has an idea of what, just let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, I found a bunch of diamonds too. Oops. Again. But I'm hoping to finish my house. And maybe decorate. Might be. But yeah, I decided to go with glass roof. Because I like looking up at the stars. So as you can see, a bunch of the rooms already have it. Oh, okay, it does have it. Oops. I accidentally broke a window. Again. And I've also been telling a bunch of you that someone was coming to around where I live. I'm sorry I could not do a video of it, but my boyfriend was the one that arrived on Saturday, and it was nighttime, so I couldn't really see anyways. Oh, what the heck? Oh yeah, I forgot I got a new villager. Where'd she go? There she is. I grabbed her from one of the villages. Oh. I also got a Pegasus. There it is. My Pegasus. I know. I also explored a bit more of the map a little bit. There's this purple village here. Let's see. Okay, so Extreme Hills Plus. We just have the plains. This is also the plains. The deep ocean. It's a rock. I know what that rock is too. More of the deep ocean. Forest. Oh, need to explore more. Hello, Pegasus. I'm Pegasus. I also grabbed a chicken. And a cow. I got a cow. Didn't I grab 2 chickens? Oh, I did. Okay, which pig? You have this. Oh yes, I also got rid of my farm because I'm gonna make a new one. A brand new farm. Like an actual building one. Instead of having it in just the ground. Oh, and I got that, which is a moonstone. It's a moonstone lantern, which comes with the blue skies mod. Why is everybody in here? What? Why is she in here? Thought I had her fishing. Did she not fish? Well, she did. A little bit. I don't know why she's standing there. But yeah, we have a few new guards, kind of. Let's see, I have a lot of food. I had so much food that I had to make another chest, which is this. Oh, hi, Rory. Oop, I almost forgot his name. Oops. Tico's in there. But I am gonna make my daughter a room. No! I broke another one. This room already has it. So does this one and this one. I tried using chisels and bits. It did not want to work really well. And plus it looked kind of weird. But no, my boyfriend's not in it right now. I have anxiety while doing this. Especially if I have like somebody. Oh, I have to get rid of that. That is not part of this. Is it this room? Yes. No, not again. But I have anxiety when I record in front of somebody. Like intro wise. Rashida. I was gonna say maybe she might Corey. You know what? I'm just gonna have another kid. Parkway! What is it? Good girl! I'm gonna name her like this. I ended up like Luna a bit. It basically means moon, and I like the way it's spelled as well. It's like kind of unique. I have a lot of bones. Oh yeah, I also found big courses too. This is so big. Look at it. It's huge, even when I hold it. But now I have another daughter. Where's Keiko? Is my wife fishing from here? I was hoping not. Come here. Fish. Move really. Yeah, that's still there. I need to get rid of it. And villages, I'm also still trying to connect them. I haven't really done. I guess I've done a lot off camera. 1 minute. You know what? Actually, we could start decorating some rooms. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out a room for Keiko. And for my little girl, I'll let you guys pick it out. Keiko's room. I'm gonna have her room be maybe over here. There's a little hole. Yeah. So maybe like in here is Keiko's room. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's grab a door. Doesn't matter what kind of door. No, let's actually do one of those doors. Actually, I want to see what a birch door looks like with this texture pack. Does it look like? Ah, interesting. We'll have that just in case. But I think actually let's look at it. Huh, it's kind of cool. I guess we'll use some. Actually, we'll use some of these doors. You know, like that. If it annoys some of you guys, that's okay. Downstairs. And this one up here. Perfect. But since Keiko is... Since she's wearing some pink, and I think that's, like, it looks kind of green. We'll do, like, maybe pink and blue a little bit. I think, maybe. And something about warrior types, and she has one. Let's see what I can do. Ooh, let's get her a pink Tara. Actually, I'm gonna do coral. We'll get rid of this one. And no, she's not what's that? Bathroom? Okay. Bedroom. Glass rose. Mirror. Some pink perfume. And because she's married, we'll do a double pink bed. Yeah, I know, a lot of pink stuff. And her closet will be like, we'll do two of these. Her curtains. I do need to add windows at some point. I guess we might be able to do a dresser. Holiday. No. Not yet, anyways. Kitchen lighting. And some of those. Ooh, a lime one. Margaret office. If we have the room, we'll add it. But yeah, for now, this will be her room. Put it right there. Her mirror. All these are big. I didn't think they were so big. Okay, then we have an extra. And then her perfume. Can I put it up there? No, let's put the glass rose up there. Perfect. And then her perfume will go right there. I decided to do coral. That's cute. I will definitely decorate these hallways though. Oops. No. 7 minutes. Okay. She needs 2 of these. Should we get a brush? Yeah. We'll get a brush for Keiko. Oops. Did not mean to pick that up. In the corner here, I need to put something. No. But we'll put something there. It's cute. Little. It's actually kind of cute. I also need. I think it was something else. Oh yes, something Rory. Like Oreo type. Yeah, it's like good writing. We'll do a coral office chair. I did say I'd have extra stuff. Mm. Maybe I like this. Yeah, I like that. Oops. Oh no. I know she could do like some little writing. Some carpet would be nice if I had a way to do that. But still need something over here. Yard. I guess a sword on the ground. So what would that be a great idea? Um, guess one of these. A little jewelry box. Be cute. Oh, one of those. We'll put that in the corner if we can. Also, Hope did say in the kitchen. Oh, they are in the kitchen. Okay, thanks, Hope. I wasn't paying attention. My bad. Sword. I don't know how to make these. Oh, just stone slabs and lime wood. Interesting. The color. Okay. I don't have any. I don't have stone, do I? No. Oops. Can I put that? I cannot. Oh no. Well, can I put that? I can't put this anywhere. I guess I'll put that outside. Natural box. I guess that works. I'll put this there. I like it. Do need to put something up there though. Oh! Wow, that was quick. Oh, 12 minutes. No. Which room is it? You see it now. Go. Oh, this for now. No, don't find another one. God, don't get in the way, I don't want to hit you. Can I get rid of this? Um, oh, yes! Then I only have one left. Somewhere down. I almost did. But yeah, I would like looking up at the stars. Pretty. Okay, there we go. Let me go to my room. Quick. love to decorate the whole house in one video, but then it'd take a while. And I said this was the kitchen, didn't I? Okay, let's actually go ahead and grab some kitchen stuff. Oh, we could have looked on the dungeon for something. What if maybe keys in her room? Just a little bit. Kitchen, yes! Oh. Kitchen shelf. I will look at that in a second. A boom cabinet, of course. Sink. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to grab a stove, didn't I? And up on the floor. This one. Oh, and a refrigerator. Let's try a big one. If not, we'll do the mini small fridge. We can't physically use it. I'm gonna put you there. How do I get a fridge? No. Oh no, wait, I don't want a fridge. I wanted an oven. Is it that one or is it this one? I guess it doesn't matter. Is that glass? Oops, sorry. Oh, black stained glass. I don't have any of that right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just like wait. I'll put it right there though. Right here. I know this looks weird, but it's temporary until I can figure things out. Yes. And there. Cabinet, we'll put right there. Perfect. Small fridge, you never know. Be like, why are you putting keys in her room? Never know when you need the keys. I'm gonna put fridge in there. That works. And then I can put a trash can there. Trash. No. Bin? Can I use a bin? Oh, there's the bin. 5 iron. Oh, 2. Okay. And then the stone. Oh yeah. Okay. I need to put those in that. I don't need that right now. I'm talking about the bin. Okay, so this. Am I missing something? Interesting. Open. Right there. Does not have anything I want to get rid of. I can just throw in there. Okay. I think else I'm missing. Yeah, we'll do the. I'll try to finish the top later. Nah. No. We can get money. Cookies, pies, apple pie. Kitchen tea. No. Oh, I do need to make a. Here, let me take bucket and carrot. But I can make like a toaster and a microwave. So I will put it there. Carrots. Chopped up carrots. Losing my voice. But I also want to try to make some stuff before. So toaster. No, I want this one. Oh my god. Quartz. I haven't even got to the nether yet. Oof. There you go, nether. So blender. Black roll and less pain. Interesting. That should be easy. And then I need, what was it? Micro. Stop. No, this one. Also quartz. I need to figure out when we're gonna go to the nether though. Am I? Probably. Maybe the next episode I can do. Oh my god. I should a lot like crazy. But maybe like in the next episode we can go to the nether, maybe. I'll have to see. What's on my glass? Oh. I guess I'm gonna need more sand. Let's actually go ahead and... Oh, I know where to get some sand. Okay, a lot of sand. Lots and lots of sand. Oh, look, it's from last time. There's a village nearby, too. I'm just hoping there's no snakes. I don't like them. It's terrified. Oops. You want me to do that. Lots and lots and lots of sand. I might also get more sand off camera. That way I can have it for later. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Where's my... Right here. I say I might do something in the next video, but then I'm gonna forget. Actually, I need to start with making more farms first. Like, I need to start my animal farm. Along with my vegetable farm, fruit farm. And expanding before we can go to the nether. Because I need to make sure I have plenty of food to go. Because there's some things I want to make, like how I make sushi. Can I make sushi? See, I need. Oh right, I need seaweed. Oh, I just need a brick. Interesting. But hey, we now know I can make sushi at some point. Whoa! I see that? That was quick. Is it already turning night? It is. That was also quick. I forgot about that up there. But I've already went to it. And I don't have enough glass for now. Shoot. But I want to wait until little Luna is born before I can end the video. Because I don't want you guys to miss that when she grows up. Oh, am I clean? I am. Yes. Finish this one off. The sky. It's pretty. I love looking at the sky. Actually, I was doing some things off camera the other day, and I saw the northern lights in my game. It was cool though. Go out. My wife is still out here too. But y'all like the little pier bit? Kinda. I don't know why she's still fishing. Well, I think she's fishing. She's not been fishing. I think she's like stuck in place again. 27. The moon. But yeah, I literally saw the northern lights in my game. I was like, wow, that is just cool. Well, in like the texture pack, of course. Oh, I am just running into walls. And yes, I do actually get lost in my house a lot. Can I get that down? Keiko, what the heck? Oh look, I can actually see what needs to have a roof. This already has a roof. This has a roof already? So does this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and that one, that one. Do they all already have a roof? What? Let's go to each room. See if I fall through any of them. I have not fallen. I've already done every room? Wow. That was quick, and now I'm stuck up here. Just kidding. I can do this. Kind of. There we go. She's almost ready, and everybody is just up here. Keiko, follow me. Okay, good. Okay, then don't follow me. Where's my whistle? I did lose my whistle off camera somewhere, so I'll come back downstairs. Don't know why. So Keiko, call, stay here. Kitchen, this is your home point. And I can move freely. And our husband, Connor, where'd he go? It's my wife. Why is everybody in the kitchen? Connor. Okay, I got Connor to follow me. No, move freely. I think I got him to move freely to follow me. Oh, he's not following me? What? Connor. Get in here. Thank you. Come in here. Thank you. We'll push him in here. Stay. Patient. Home. Thank you. Goodbye. She ready? She's ready. Let's go outside. Look, see? You can see the northern lights in my game. Isn't that cool? I have a baby on me. I have a baby on me. I have a baby on me. It was a bad idea. It was a bad idea. Okay. But yeah, that is just really cool. It's like when the moon is high too. Just wow. Look at that. Oh yeah, and Moonlight came back. But let's see what my baby girl looks like. Whoa. Hey now. I will probably change that later. But we'll see. Come on in. I don't want you to get stepped on. So I'm gonna bring her in here for now. This is not her bedroom. It's just I'm gonna keep her in here for a little bit. Until I pick a room for her. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you lovely people all in the next video. Bye everyone!